Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Alex and Emma. Today, we're talking about something fun, practical, and very useful. How to speak English naturally at a cafe or restaurant. This is one of the most common real-life situations. So learning these expressions will really help you sound confident and polite.
Hi, I'm Emma. If you've ever felt shy or unsure about ordering food or talking to a waiter in English, don't worry. That's totally normal. In this episode, we'll show you how to sound natural, polite, and friendly, step by step.
Let's imagine you walk into a small cafe. You smell the fresh coffee, you hear soft music, and you see people chatting quietly. You smile and walk to the counter. The first thing you can say is something simple like, "Hi there," or "Good afternoon." Then you can ask, "Could I see the menu, please?"
Yes, that's a great start. Always remember to use please and thank you. They make your English sound warm and respectful. Now, here's how a short conversation might sound.
"Good afternoon. How can I help you today?"
Hi, could I see the menu, please?
"Of course. Here you go. Would you like to hear our specials?"
Sure. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken sandwich and iced coffee combo is really popular today.
That sounds great. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else for you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll bring it right out.
See how short and simple that was? You don't need long or complicated sentences, just clear, polite phrases. That's what makes your English sound confident and natural.
Exactly. And you can make small changes to sound more casual or more polite. For example, you can say, "Can I get a coffee?" That's casual and friendly. Or, "Could I have a coffee, please?" That's polite and a bit more formal. Both are correct.
Now, let's talk about what happens after your meal. When you finish eating, you can say, "Could I get the bill, please?" or "Can I have the check, please?" Remember, bill is used in British English and check is used in American English.
Right. And before you leave, it's nice to say something kind, such as, "Everything was great, thank you," or "The food was amazing." A little politeness goes a long way. It leaves a positive impression.
Okay, let's share some short and useful cafe phrases our listeners can practice.
Sure. Repeat after us if you can. "Can I get a table for two, please?" "Could I have some water?" "What do you recommend?" "I'd like a cup of tea, please." "Can I have the bill, please?" "Everything was delicious, thank you."
Perfect. And if you have allergies or don't eat something, you can say, "Does this dish contain nuts?" or "I don't eat dairy." It's always helpful to know how to say these things politely.
Yes, very useful. You can also ask about ingredients in other ways. "Is this vegetarian?" Or "Is there any meat in this dish?" Those questions are polite and clear.
Okay, now let's imagine you're sitting with a friend at a cafe waiting for your order. You can have a short, friendly conversation. This is called small talk.
Exactly. Small talk is how you connect with people. Let's show a short example.
"Hey, Alex, this place looks really nice. Have you been here before?"
"Yeah, a few times. Their coffee is great. What about you? Do you like coffee or tea?"
I love both, but I drink tea more often in the evening. It helps me relax after a long day.
"That's nice. I'm more of a morning coffee person. I need that energy to start my day."
See how natural that sounds? You can start small talk with easy questions like, "Have you been here before? Do you like coffee?" or how's your day going?
Exactly. Fluent English isn't about using big words. It's about being comfortable and confident. Start small, speak slowly, and enjoy the conversation.
Okay, now let's do a short practice activity together. We'll give you a situation and you can think about what you'd say. Ready?
You walk into a cafe and want to order something to drink. What do you say? Good. You can say, "Can I have a latte, please?"
Now, imagine your food is taking a little too long. You can say, "Excuse me, could you check on my order, please?" It's polite, short, and clear.
And when you're ready to pay, you can say, "Can I get the bill, please?" Easy, right?
Yes. The more you practice these simple phrases, the more natural you'll sound. Next time you go to a cafe or restaurant, try using one of them. Speak slowly, smile, and enjoy the moment.
Exactly. Remember, every small step helps you become more confident in English. It's not about being perfect. It's about communication and connection.
Well said, Alex. So everyone, your challenge for today is to use one new English phrase the next time you order food or coffee.
Yes, and tell yourself, I can do this, because you really can. The more you speak, the easier it gets.
That's all for today's episode, real-life English conversation at a cafe or restaurant. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Thank you for listening. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more free English lessons for you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English every day. See you next time, everyone.